Bharat Ratna Award is the most prestigious and honorable civilian award presented by the Government of India. The award is given for the highest degrees of national service and mainly for artistic, literary and scientific achievements. A total of 41 extraordinary talents from India have been awarded the Bharat Ratna Award from its inception. The Bharat Ratna Award was introduced in the year 1954. Since then, the award is being given to the best talents of India on a regular basis. However, it was suspended for a brief period from 13 July 1977 to 26 January 1980. The Bharat Ratna has been given posthumously to 12 persons so far, including Subhash Chandra Bose in 1992. However, the award to Netaji was withdrawn later due to a legal technicality, and this was the only case of a Bharat Ratna award being withdrawn. The award is designed in the shape of a leaf from peepal tree, and the term Bharat Ratna is written in Hindi language in the front side of the award. The reverse side of the award carries the state emblem. There is no strict or formal provision that the recipients of the Bharat Ratna award ought to be Indian citizens. This is why two non-Indians and a naturalized Indian citizen have so far been presented the award. They are the naturalized Indian citizen Mother Teresa 1980 and the two non-Indians Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan 1987 and Nelson Mandela 1990. Some of the persons who have been conferred upon Bharat Ratna are late Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, late Ustad Bismillah Khan, Professor Amartya Sen, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Srimati M.S. Subbulakshmi, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Shri J.R.D. Tata, Shri Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Shri Satyajit Ray, Shri Morarji Desai, Shri Rajiv Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Nelson Mandela, Shri Acharya Vinoba Bhave, Mother Teresa, Srimati Indira Gandhi, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman and Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On 16 December 2011, government modified the rules to pave way for eligibility of sportsperson for the highest civilian award of the country. Bureau Report, DD News.